Today we're going to show you what happens when you play Roblox during a GeForce Game Ready driver update. As you can see, I already have it updating here at GeForce Experience, so let's just play for a bit. I'm in the back rooms in Nico's next bots right now. So let's see if there's going to be any crashes or anything. Noclipping. Well, you can actually noclip in the back rooms with crouch. Let's just go to the mall. Oh wait, I can't. I need to find the safe zone. You know what, let's just glitch out a map and kill myself. Come on, get out of. Let me noclip. Oh. Whatever. What the? Next bot. Oh my god. Whoa, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. That was a mistake. Oh my god. Alright. Let's just go to the mall. I got tired of the back rooms. Okay. I guess everything's safe. Oh wait, not this way, not this way. I need to find. What the? What in the world? What the? No! Oh my god! Oh my! No effects whatsoever. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. You know what? I think I just feel safer in the back rooms. Quickly, gotta go in there. Oh my god. Got it quickly. Oh my god. Well. What is going on? Oh my god. I think I should go to Russia instead. What is going on? Is Dude here? I need to get out of here. Alternate. Need to get. Oh my god! Alternate! Alternate! I don't know. Honestly, the back rooms might actually be safer. Wait. Ugh. Can't see anything. What the? I need to get to the back rooms fast before this. Wait, what was that? Wait, am I lagging? So yeah, Roblox crashed, and even the recording software crashed. So, now you know that if you want to update your Game Ready driver, I mean I have another update available right now, you should stop playing, otherwise it's gonna crash. And it might not even save your progress. So that was it for this video. If you found it entertaining or helpful for whatever reason you like it, then like it. Or subscribe for more videos and comment. Bye.